See if we can pull this apart.
So how long has it been?
Yeah.
11:30. What is it now?
Yeah, about coming on about an hour, couple hours.
Hour and a half, anyway.
Yeah, an hour and a half. Yeah, it's temperature. It's pretty hot in the garage right now.
Yeah, we're standing next to a wood stove here.
Yeah. You gotta be careful it doesn't dry out too fast. But, touch it.
Just a little dab.
Yeah, it's just the water on the edge. So you just gotta want to break this free.
And not break it. Because that could be bad.
Mm-hmm.
What are you going to do? Just wiggle it?
Yeah, just wiggle it. You have to work it around until it comes loose.
Do you know what this reminds me of? When I was getting fitted for braces.
Yeah.
And they put stuff in your mouth, and I think it's plaster of Paris to get a mold.
Yeah.
And then they have a thing they stick under on the roof of your mouth,
Yeah.
and it's supposed to pry it out and pull it out. Well, they couldn't get it out. So, and you can't talk. So I just grabbed her wrists and held up one finger, and I said, just wait. And I took it because I could feel when the suction was done.
Right.
So I could crack it and pull it out. Because she was just on the verge of panicking there because she couldn't get it out. Ooh. Don't break the glass there.
Something extra
To grip it.
Yeah.
Is it moving?
I just got to get a good grip on it. Yes, worst comes to worst, we can break the bottle.
Yeah, I guess, eh?
Yeah. That's what we'll have to do. Have to break it.
So maybe next time, no wine bottle.
Well, I think before it was set up, before I left, I think we left it too long, and because before I went in the house, I could turn the bottle. I should probably have pulled it out at that point, but well, that's what you want. Just want to get it out. Okay.
Yeah, the paper just stuck right to the plaster of Paris. Oh well, we should have known better, but oh well.
Oh,
Lesson learned.
lesson learned. Still dry, or still drying, you can repair some of the piece.
Smooth out the roughness there.
Yeah, I mean, I should have showed, or we should have had a picture of it when it was basically beyond its life, but
Oh, I didn't think of it.
yeah, it's just like dealing with a really weak concrete.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, that's all it is. Yeah, you can still work concrete quite a ways afterwards. Like we'll let this dry by the wood stove for most of the day, or until the wood stove starts to next time we'll do. The only thing I did wrong this time is when it initially set up, I could still move it pretty good. I should have pulled it at that point. But what happened is the paper got wet and it was holding on to the paper. So,
Mm-hmm.
you know, you could probably get away with it by getting rid of the paper too, and putting a little bit of maybe soap or something on the bottle.
Mm.
Yeah,
Well, that worked out well.
That worked out well. So, what you do is slowly force it through. See that piece?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So you got your hole for the flame to go in.
Yeah.
From the torch.
And then you take this thing here while it's still kind of soft.
Mm-hmm.
I've flared it out on the top so it doesn't go all the way through. And you just sort of turn it down in there carefully. Turn it. Yeah.